When we started out the precision project, we really didn't know what we were in for or if we could meet our clients' demands. Working in an environment where their team weld, use hand and power tools and also manually handle the components they fabricate, they discovered significant productivity losses and hand injuries due to their team constantly removing gloves and quite often not wearing any. And this is something that is very common that we identified during our research across all construction industries, particularly fabrication workshops. We set the challenge to develop a single glove that would provide confidence while manual handling components using hand and power tools, and of course while welding. The combination of these characteristics set us a mighty challenge. That's a great question because the more insulation you add, the less dexterous and tactility the glove has. So our first mission was to learn more about the thermodynamic properties of insulation and what was available off the shelf for us to consider. As it turns out, it took us the next 2 years working with world-leading manufacturers of space-age aerogel to develop a new insulation textile which we call Climax. This provides the superior level of protection that we have achieved in precision working in the heat zone while welding. So the next challenge was to pack all of this into a glove designed to offer the comfort, feel and dexterity to be confident on the tools for manual handling. I'll talk you through some of these features. First is the size range. Just like footwear, if you don't have the correct size, whether it be too big or too small, you're likely to take them off, which would be defeating the purpose of the project. So the size range is expansive. Second, material choices had to be carefully made for the multitasking environment to ensure it could stand up to everything thrown at it. And we spent a lot of time sampling from different combinations to come up with the right mix. So for the shell, we've used perspirant resistant full grain leather, Kevlar overlays for protection against cut and protection from extreme temperatures, along with BOLLWERK's Climax aerogel across the back of hand. And it's also Kevlar stitch so it will never burn and provides for more robust seams. The cotton inner is for comfort, and again the overlays are constructed from full grain leather. All up, the glove has 4 layers in the palm, index and middle finger, and also to the back of hand, which combine to deliver the glove's unmatched performance. The glove's design features characteristics specific to working in the welding and fabrication environment. In contrast to the generally two-dimensional flat construction of most welding and rigging gloves, precision is built with a large amount of palm and digit pre-curve, recognising the fact that people in this environment are most often working with fairly closed hand posture, whether it be on the welding nozzle or working with hand or power tools. So this becomes the glove's neutral position, matching the hand and enhancing comfort and reducing fatigue. And the glove's palm pattern is broken down into zones, recognising 2 distinct functions the glove is required to provide. You'll notice the palm area is covered with a full overlay, and beneath this is a layer of Kevlar. Not only does this dissipate heat while welding, but also provides a superior level of cut protection for manual handling. The index finger overlay extends to the tip of the finger and wraps around, providing thermal protection and durability, particularly from the common habit of wiping grinds away with the index finger, which adds to wear in this area quite quickly. The middle finger shares its articulation with the ring finger, so you'll notice the split finger overlay for improved dexterity and confidence, moving from the welding nozzle to hand and power tools. And the ring and little finger are designed to offer maximum dexterity and grip strength, which is really important in the fabrication environment for confidence and productive use on the hand and power tools. You need that freedom for effective control. Also, the gauntlet flare has been designed so you can wear it over or underneath a welding jacket. Lastly, the glove meets all the international standards for welding and fabrication, including EN 388, EN 12477 and EN 1149. This is BOLLWERK's arc+fuse precision.